What's up, everybody? It's Castile checking in again. Sitting here trying to start this four-wheel up for my baby, the little 125 Coolster. Alright, so we're gonna give it a shot. But before we get into this video, I want y'all to hit that like button, subscribe, ring the little bell thingy so y'all notified whenever I start a video or whenever. So then that's coming up. I'm redoing the Warrior, the Yamaha Warrior 350, repainting it and stuff. So y'all stay tuned to that. I kind of already started, and but I had the front fender trim cut, so I already sanded it down. See what we're looking like right here. So sanded down, had a cut by my boy Tyrell. So y'all stay tuned to his channel also. But yeah, we gotta cut down. So right now she kind of naked, which I like. I'm tempted to just keep her like that. So, but y'all stay tuned to that. So we're gonna go over here to this Coolster real quick. See what we can do with it. I hate the carburetor on this thing. It's don't really have a choke on it. So like if you can see up in here, it's just this little toggle thing here, but it stays in one position, so you can't really set a choke to kind of help start it. So kind of been playing with it already with a little starter fluid, trying to get her started. Usually it's not as hard as it is today, I guess because it's cold out here. So we'll give her a start. Alright, we got it on. She's lit up, good to go. So let's see what she does. You gotta kind of sit tight with me real quick. That's about all she's doing. So and this is who we're starting for, my baby. Say hi. Hi, Ryan. That's it? I think she's flooded. I've been trying to get her started for a while. So kind of let her sit for a few minutes. And still nothing. So I don't know. Probably won't get her started today. So I don't know. I guess y'all gonna have to probably stay tuned, or we'll just try back a little later. Try to get this Warrior started.
Hello.
Say what? Alright, so my baby normally fire right up. So we on the Warrior right here. So get her going. Let's cut this gas on. She normally don't need a choke. I got her tuned in just right. So let's see what she does. She better fire right up. Alright. We're lit up. Let's see what she does. Alright, let's pull that choke out. Here we go. Why not? Alright, baby, don't do me like this. Yeah, she needs a little work, but she's a 03, and I done put hella miles on her. She's faithful though. Let's see. Start, fire right up. So I can see I done changed the lights on her. Fortunately, I didn't video that, but kind of played with other little stuff on her. Getting on that four-wheeler and catching out with daddy. We do it all. Either riding a four-wheeler, fishing. Mom won't let her get on the motorcycle with me, but she'll eventually have her own coming up soon. She's still not doing anything. Alright, let it go. That starter fluid again, so let's see what she do. Normally just spray it right through the filter. All right, go ahead. Just start up without gas. Alright, go ahead. Do it again. Alright, baby. We'll try it again probably tomorrow. Might just have to wait till this weekend, okay? We good? Are we good? Okay. What was that? What was that? All right. Y'all can see old faithful, my little baby right here. She She always ready to go. So, but yeah, y'all stay tuned on this. Like I say, we're gonna spray her. Like she nasty right now. She kind of I ain't even do it right. So she got a lot of flaws right now. But I went and bought that little sounder right here. She in here somewhere. But I went ahead and bought that sounder, and as y'all can see, she already made some progress. She flaw right here. So y'all stay tuned to that candy on the Yamaha 350. And probably put a little picture of some of them. A couple of my partners, they already sprayed again by Tyrell Backyard Design. So y'all need to hit him up if y'all in Atlanta on that south side, you know. But my boy, y'all put in that work and whatever, and he'll travel to you. So y'all reach out to us, send a little link or comment or whatever, and we'll figure out a way to get y'all sprayed up too when y'all see that drip. Cause that drip is for sale. Plies shot. That right. Alright, baby. You wanna say what we're gonna say? You wanna say goodbye? Tell them hit that like button and what? Subscribe and what else? What? Oh, you gonna act like that? Give me a kissy. Give me a kissy. That's right. Alright, so y'all stay tuned. And we're gonna get a riot page started, so all y'all with the kids out there or whatever, y'all stay tuned, cause this little one right here, she keeps something funny and coming to you or whatever. So, see what I'm talking about? So, all right. So, oh yeah. So, not only we got them two four-wheelers right there, I got another little working and making right here. This little dirt bike. She kicked. She started up on that maybe third kick, sometime that first kick. So I just gotta get that little gas just right on her. But she tuned in, she tuned up right and stuff. So got her for a little nothing. So, but all right, I ain't gonna keep talking your head off. But y'all stay tuned to the next one. All right, to the next one. I'ma holler at y'all. Yup.